Welcome back to Easy Creator Hub. I hope you all are doing well. So, let's not waste any time and jump right into our video. Go to Canva, click on Create a Design and then open Custom Size. Set the custom size to 1080 by 1080. Then, click on Create New Design. Now go to Elements and search for Apple. Now go back to Elements again and search for Dripping. Add black dripping. Change black color into white. Go to Elements and search Shadow. Adjust the shadow. So this is the final result. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe * to the channel.